Imagine this for a second. It's 2026. You wake up, grab your phone, and before you even get out of bed, you see notifications that say payment received, new client booked, and AI task completed successfully. No boss calling you, no office to rush to, no degree hanging on the wall, just smart AI tools quietly working for you in the background. Most people still believe you need years of experience or a big investment to start a business, but the truth is some of the easiest businesses today are powered by AI and beginners are already making real money with them. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 best AI business ideas for beginners in 2026. Ideas that don't require coding skills, don't need huge budgets, and can realistically be started from your laptop at home. And the crazy part is, many people watching this right now could start one of these today, but most won't, simply because they don't know how simple it actually is. Before we go any further, if you're interested in building smart income streams with AI, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. This is AI Side Hustle, where we break down AI tools and business ideas in a way that's simple, practical, and beginner-friendly. Subscribing now means you won't miss future videos that could literally change how you earn money online. Now let's slow things down for a moment. I want you to understand something important. You don't need to do all 5 of these ideas. You don't even need to be good with technology. You just need to pick one, commit to learning it step by step, and stay consistent. That's it. Everything I'm about to share is designed for beginners, people who are starting from zero, people who might even be scared of AI but are curious enough to try. Let's talk about the first AI business idea, and this one is powerful because it solves a problem almost every business has right now. Businesses need content. They need blog posts, emails, social media captions, product descriptions, and website copy, but most business owners don't have the time or skill to write all of that themselves. This is where AI-powered content services come in. You don't need to be a professional writer. You don't need perfect grammar. You simply need to know how to guide AI tools to produce content that businesses can use. In 2026, AI writing tools are incredibly advanced. They can generate high-quality content in minutes, but most business owners don't want to learn how to use these tools. They would rather pay someone else to do it for them. So what do? You position yourself as the person who uses AI to create content faster and cheaper than traditional writers. You can offer blog writing packages, email marketing content, website copy, or even monthly social media content plans. You use AI to do the heavy lifting, and your job is to edit, personalize, and deliver. The beauty of this business is that you can start with almost zero cost. Many AI tools offer free trials or affordable plans. You can start by reaching out to small businesses, coaches, real estate agents, online stores, or local service providers. You don't need to say I use AI, you simply say, I help businesses create consistent content that brings in more customers. At the beginning, you might charge a few $100s per month per client, but once you get comfortable, one person can manage multiple clients at the same time. This is how beginners slowly turn a side hustle into a full-time income. And because everything is powered by AI, your time investment stays relatively low compared to traditional content creation. If you stay until the end of this video, I'll share a mindset shift that helps people avoid burnout while running AI businesses like this. Now let's move into the second AI business idea, and this one is perfect for people who like visuals but don't consider themselves designers. AI-powered design services are exploding in 2026. Businesses need logos, social media posts, ads, thumbnails, presentations, and branding visuals every single day. The problem is, hiring a professional designer is expensive, and many small businesses can't afford it. This is where AI design tools step in. With AI, you can generate high-quality visuals, brand kits, and marketing graphics in minutes. Your role is not to be an artist. Your role is to understand what the client wants and use AI to produce it quickly. Think about offering services like Instagram post designs, YouTube thumbnails, ad creatives, or simple brand identity packages. Many beginners underestimate how valuable this is. Businesses care about speed and consistency more than perfection. You can start by creating sample designs for imaginary businesses or even redesigning existing brands just for practice. Then you show those samples when pitching clients. Platforms like freelancing websites, social media, and even direct outreach work very well for this type of service. The best part is, once you create templates and systems, the work becomes repetitive in a good way. AI helps you scale without hiring a team. If this already sounds interesting, make sure you've liked the video and subscribed. It really helps the channel grow, and it tells the algorithm that content like this is valuable. AI Side Hustle exists to help beginners win with AI, and your support makes a huge difference. Now let's talk about the third AI business idea, and this one is incredibly underrated. AI automation for small businesses. Most businesses are overwhelmed. They receive emails, messages, bookings, customer questions, and follow-ups every single day. Many of these tasks are repetitive, boring, and time-consuming. AI can automate a huge portion of this work, but most business owners don't know how to set it up. This is where you come in. You can help businesses automate things like customer replies, appointment scheduling, lead follow-ups, basic customer support, and internal workflows using AI tools. You don't need to be a programmer. Many modern tools are no-code and designed for beginners. You learn how to connect simple systems together, test them, and deliver results. Imagine helping a local business respond to customer inquiries automatically 24/7, or helping an online coach follow up with leads without manually sending emails. These solutions save businesses time and money, which means they are often happy to pay monthly fees for maintenance. This creates recurring income, which is one of the best things you can build in any business. At first, you might feel intimidated by the word automation, but once you set up a few systems, you'll realize it's mostly logic and repetition. This business rewards people who like solving problems and thinking a few steps ahead. And again, AI does most of the hard work for you. Let's move on to the fourth AI business idea, and this one is amazing for beginners who don't want to deal with clients directly. AI-powered niche content channels. In 2026, content is still king, but the way content is created has completely changed. You can now run YouTube channels, social media pages, blogs, or even newsletters using AI for research, scripts, visuals, and scheduling. You pick a niche. It could be AI tools, finance, health facts, motivation, travel, or even educational content. Then you use AI to generate scripts, voiceovers, images, and videos. You monetize through ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, or digital products. This is a long-term play, not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's one of the most scalable businesses on this list. The reason this works so well is because AI removes the biggest barrier most people face, which is consistency. You no longer have to spend hours researching and creating content from scratch. AI helps you show up every day, and the more content you publish, the more data you collect, and the smarter your strategy becomes over time. This channel, AI Side Hustle, is a perfect example of how AI-focused content can educate, inspire, and build trust with an audience. If you stay consistent, one piece of content can work for you for years. Now let's talk about the fifth AI business idea, and this one ties everything together beautifully. AI consulting for beginners. Before you think this is only for experts, listen carefully. In 2026, many people are overwhelmed by AI. They don't know which tools to use, how to apply them, or how to avoid wasting money. If you take the time to learn a specific set of AI tools and how they solve real problems, you can guide others. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know more than the person you're helping. You can specialize in helping freelancers, small businesses, content creators, or even beginners who want to start AI side hustles. You can offer one-on-one calls, group sessions, or even simple guides and templates. This business works because clarity is valuable. People are willing to pay for someone to simplify things and save them time. And as AI continues to evolve, consultants who stay updated become even more valuable. Now, before we wrap this up, I want to share something important. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to do everything at once. They jump from idea to idea, tool to tool, and never give themselves enough time to see results. Pick one idea from this video, just one. Commit to it for the next 60 to 90 days. Learn it, practice it, improve it. That's how real progress happens. If this video gave you clarity or inspiration, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment and tell me which AI business idea you're most interested in starting. Your comment might also help someone else who's feeling stuck. And if you think this video could help a friend, share it with them. You never know whose life might change because of one simple share. Thank you for spending this time with me. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and remember, AI is not here to replace you. It's here to amplify what you can do. This is AI Side Hustle, and I'll see you in the next video.